Hi, this is John with WTI, and lately I've been putting a little bit more effort into having a better sensation of going to sleep and just smelling something good. It feels comfortable and good when you go to sleep. Your pillows, your sheets, they're all looking and smelling awesome. So this is where this Arm& and Hammer fabric sheets softener goes into work. So every single time that I go and do my laundry, put this in my washing machines, one or two sheets of this, it would make the fabric softer, but at the same time, it's going to give you this smell, soft smell, that you're going to feel comfortable while you're inside of it. So if you're trying to look for a softener, even for your own shirts or t-shirts, that once you take it out of the dryer, you can take them out and it's not going to be so wrinkled, this is a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.